Hello, welcome back. I want to do a quick vlog right quick. I was cleaning out my storage building the other day and found these two totes of stickers that I've collected since I was probably 5 and older. I got curious and started looking these up on eBay, and wouldn't you know, these things are selling amazingly well. This is some Lisa Frank stickers, and this is like a sticker album with a slick cover. I have never used this, and a lot of these stickers I would just buy them and just collect them. So I've put these on eBay as a lot, and I just want to hear the cash register going because we've been so busy I haven't been able to put stuff on eBay. I did start out at 99 cents, but I did put a reserve on it. Looking these up individually, I found that, let me find it. I did find that these jumbo sell for $29.99, and as of course you can see, all these have never been opened except for this one and this one. This one here on one sheet has one sticker missing. I did put that in the eBay listing. I also found this and this. Now keep in mind, these stickers have been outside in the storage building. It is dry in the building. However, it is exposed to heat and cold and moisture and dry. Now, the stickers have raised off of the backing, but they're still sticky and tacky, so that's why I'm leaving them laying flat. Unbelievably, I could not believe it when I found these. Old Snap-on, or they're not old, they're vintage, and that's how I listed them. Vintage, of course this one has like a plastic backing. Vintage Snap-on tools. I put them on a buy it now. This one, and these, I've got 3 of them. $49.99 for this one. $49.99 for each of these. So, yes, these are on eBay. It's just, like I say, it's just stickers that I've collected. And, okay, like, I'll give you an example. This is, well, wrong one. Here it is. Pulaski County High School. Stuff like this that is local, like local history. People collect this stuff regularly. More than what I thought they would. And just to show you what I've got in here. Young kid, I didn't realize the value that stickers would have, but I love these. Were my favorite scratch and sniffs. I absolutely love these stickers. Some old Dr. Pepper. I could turn the tote around. And I remember these did smell like what it says, like perfume, skunk. Oh man. Salami, peanut butter, root beer, cola. Let me see. This one, and this one was my 2 favorite. That I do remember. Dill pickle, yep, licorice, watermelon. It's just really interesting, all the stickers that I've collected through the years. All the tiny ones. There's Knight Rider. That was one of my favorite TV shows. Just got a little bit of everything. I love these prism stickers. That was my thing. My mom made this sticker album. And I found these Smurf chips. Got 2 of these. I'm going to put them on there. Just all kinds of them. Like our local radio station. I'll put those on there. All of these are vintage. All of these, every single one of them are over 20 years old. All of them. Like I said, I would buy this stuff and just stick it in here and leave it. But the money I make off these, I plan on taking the money and buying stuff for the house, and because I'm wanting to start the remodel on the house in Virginia, so we'll see how that goes. These stickers I got to go up here because I got bids on them. I found my old school scrapbook thing when I was going through all of my stickers. It's just a little bit of everything I've got. These are glow-in-the-dark stickers here. And believe it or not, they still glow. So, just my suggestion is if you run across old stickers, I didn't know that they sold so good on eBay. I was kind of surprised. Just type it in, old Hallmark. I don't know why I keep saying old. Like, this one here is like planets. Just type it in eBay and search and see what comes up. There is someone who sold a bunch of like lots, like groups, like this, and they've just spread them out over the floor and took a picture, and $400 and some is what the lots sold for. So like certain ones that have specific names on them and stuff, I would list them just individually, but like just miscellaneous, like a bunch of these bumper stickers, I'll just sell it all as a lot. And I mean, I don't know, $99.99 starting bid, and then let it go from there. And nobody bids, and go in there and put a buy it now, price your price high, and then do best offer. That's what I would suggest do. Yes, this is Yield to the Princess. This is our dog. She thinks everybody has to bow down to her. I found these old stickers in there too. Oh, why in the world do I keep saying that? So this is just cool looking old vintage stuff. Alrighty, thank you for watching. It's just something neat I found and thought I would spread the word about it. I didn't realize it. Even stuff like this sells. You wouldn't think it does, but it does. These are cute. And these are Hallmarks. This is what I was telling you. Hallmark. And stuff like this. And if you look on the backs, sometimes they'll give you a year that they were made. I don't see any on that. Nothing on that. That's just an open sheet. So, look it up. You never have a clue. You never know. So, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Have a great evening.